Jinxie Tarot, guys, welcome back. I am doing a reading for all you Sagittarians for the month of November 2020. Take this for your rising, your sun, your moon, your Venus, and or Jupiter. Do keep in mind that time is fluid and not linear. So this reading that's about to take place could have already happened, currently in effect, or soon to come. All right, guys, let's get started. Saggies, energies can always go vice versa, so please take it as you see fit. Now, I'm going to tell you right now what I'm being shown. There is somebody, I am going to tell you there is somebody that's returning from the past, and there is some new energy coming towards you, okay? Now, what I mean by that, I'm going to tell you right now. This, on the left, is someone from the past. On the right is someone from someone new, some new energy. Now, what I mean by the past here, this is someone, this is a Knight of Pentacles. Now, if you know anything about tarot, Knight of Pentacles is someone who's a very slow moving knight. This person takes a lot of time thinking and structuring and planning out how they want to come over to you to present a proposal, how they're going to say it, what they're going to say, how they're going to present it. This person takes a long time. The reason why is this person has spent a lot of time in secret. This person, I don't even think you realize that this person had any intentions of even coming back. But this person has full intentions of coming towards you because this is what they've been planning out. Hence the Knight of Pentacles, okay, and the Moon card. They've been thinking long and hard about how they want to come and present themselves, okay? And yes, I do pick up this as an old energy, someone you've already known, someone you probably even had a home with, okay, made a home with. That's what I pick up, and that's what I'm going to tell you, okay? Now, this here, what this shows me with the Four of Swords reversed and the Three of Cups. Four of Swords, when it's upright, this person has taken a lot of time healing, a lot of time contemplating, a lot of time to themselves in solitude. Now it's reversed. This person has healed, and now they want to go past that stage. Reason being, Three of Cups. They want to come back to you, and they want to know if you'll be willing to work with them. They want to know if they can convince you that maybe we should give it another try. That maybe whenever this situation, this relationship broke, that they probably want to know if you guys would consider agreeing to taking their hand again and seeing if you guys still have a chance at fixing what was once broken, at still being able to make right what was done wrong. Okay, so this is the reason they want to come back and talk to you. Now, I'll be honest with you, they have been working on building a lot of strength. This is a Queen of Swords and the Strength card. Queen of Swords is someone who is blatantly very verbal and says things the way they do. They don't hide anything anymore. So this person is coming to talk to you. This person is coming to let you know what they did not let you know before. This person is coming to spill their beans. They're not here to hurt you. They're not here to want to manipulate you. They're going to tell you what you've been wanting to hear. You must have had a lot of questions that they didn't take time to answer, okay? But now they're building up the strength to let you know what needs to be told, okay? Because why? They really want to make it work with you. They still want a chance with you, all right? So Saggies, this is a past person who's coming back after a long time of contemplation. And to be honest, what they're telling me is that with the Knights of Pentacles and the Moon card out, they must have ghosted you. They basically did not keep in contact with you, okay? Hence, because they didn't know themselves what they were supposed to do. They didn't know what moves to make. That's why they took a long time coming back to you. All right, so this is for the ones who want to know if the past is coming back. The past is definitely coming back. It was a long time coming, but they had to think things through. They had to deal with their stuff first, okay? That's this end. Now the new energy for the Saggies who are single and awaiting a new chapter in life, there is somebody coming towards you, and this person who will come towards you, actually, this is some of the most surprisingly happy situation I've seen in a long time. This is a Sun card and the Hierophant. So tells me that for the new batch of people, new Saggies who are coming into a new phase in life, you guys are being introduced to the one that you're going to make a home with. You guys are going to be introduced to someone that makes you incredibly happy. You're going to be introduced to someone who's going to have a stable, secure, and a sound relationship leading to probably marriage, okay? And this is a very, very happy phase in your life, Saggies. This is going to be for you singles out there, you guys are coming into an extremely blessed and happy phase, all right? The only thing is, with you, this is a Queen of Wands and this is a Four of Pentacles. I will look into why, but it shows here that even though Saggies, you guys are passionate about this situation, you're still holding back a little, okay? Four of Pentacles shows me you're still holding back. Even though Queen of Wands does show me that you are very, Queen of Wands is basically with emotions very fiery, very adamant, very happy, very driven, very exciting at a heart level, but still a part of you wants to hold back. I'm going to look to why you want to hold back, but a part of you does hold back, even though this is a very happy outcome. Now here it shows me this is Two of Cups and this is the Queen of Pentacles, okay? Now Queen of Pentacles, Saggies, and you guys are Saggies, okay? So don't get me wrong and don't tell me I'm wrong. As Saggies, you guys love your freedom. That's the thing you guys do. You guys love your freedom. You guys don't want your freedom impeded on, okay? But the Two of Cups tells me that this is going to be a soul connection. This is someone you are going to make a very, very strong, very stable, and very secure future with, if you so choose to take this person's hand, okay? The only issue you have is that your fear of losing your freedom, okay? And sometimes it could be because of a past situation. Maybe you were married once before, or you were in a very long-term relationship and you felt like your freedom was taken away from you, okay? So that could be the reason why you choose to hold back a little, okay? And I understand that, but I'll be honest with you, having the Sun card out and having the Hierophant out does show me that this is going to be a very happy phase for you that's coming towards you. You are going to be happy with this person, okay? And the Hierophant, being a Sag as you guys are, you guys might even, rather than even get married, you guys may even try the live-in situation, like a live-in companionship. But whatever you guys so choose, it is going to be a long-term, stable, and secure relationship. Chances are, I do feel the majority of you will lead to marriage. That is what I'm picking up. You Saggies are coming into a different phase in life, okay? There's a turning point and it's switched. A lot of Saggies are going to be going through this. That's what I pick up. And to be honest, now don't shoot the messenger. I also do pick up that along with this new person that comes, some of you guys might end up even remarrying or marrying this old person that comes back in your life. But the fact that the Hierophant and the Sun card is out, I'll be honest, a lot of you Saggies are headed for a very long-term, secure, and probably a marriage in your near future now. Because this, I don't believe I've ever gotten this combination out before, unless it was for a marriage, maybe once or twice in my tarot card career. But I'll be honest with you, this is a very rare combination to come up, and you can test my word. I'm never usually wrong. I'm not going to boost my ego, whatever the case is. But this is definitely a marriage or a very long-term relationship that goes to the end, okay? But this is a blessing. This is definitely a blessing. This is something that you guys are going to be very, very, very happy about, okay? And yes, it could be with this new individual coming into your life, or it could be that you guys decide to take the past person's hand and write a new story that leads to a very, very happy ending, okay? But it'll be your choice, Saggies, because the ball's in your court. And the funny thing is, I don't see any negative energy on your way. So a lot of you Saggies, I believe the energy in the air that's changing on your behalf is changing for your better. It's definitely for your better. You guys are a lot more happier. You guys are coming into a lot happier phase. You guys are coming into a very, very peaceful, happy. Two of Wands. Okay. I'm gonna keep this in the middle. Okay, so this is how it's going to be, all right, Saggies? Heads up, I don't want to make this video too long because obviously you guys can see this is what it is. Some of you Saggies, only the past will return and you will decide what to do with this. And the other part of you Saggies, a new person is coming into your life and you'll decide from there. But the fact that the Two of Wands is out, this is a choice between two paths. It does show me that the majority of you Saggies, you guys will be confronted with both options, okay? An option where the past will return to see if you guys can write a new chapter, along with the possibility of another person in your life. A lot of you Saggies are headed for a very, very committed relationship, because there are some Saggies which has other stars altering your life. I don't do astrology, so I don't know anything about that. All I know is energy, okay? But a majority of you Saggies are headed for a very strong, stable, and secure relationship, okay? Whether it's with the past or whether it's with a new person, you guys are going to be very connected, very stable, very secure. And I'll be honest with you, this combination assures me a lot of happiness, and a very, very strong, committed relationship. I wish you a lot of blessings, guys, a lot of blessings, and a lot of luck. And Saggies, come on, if you don't mind, kind of let me know what happens. I'm actually very curious, because this is an insanely happy energy. I'm not feeling any negative at all, Saggies. Wow, you guys are very, very blessed. Guys, stay blessed, okay? Till next time. Bye.